What's up, Dare House? This is Rob coming back to you with an update video for update's sake. If you watched a video about 2 years ago, I did an unbox and an initial review of the $15 Ijoy headset. I realized it had been a while since I did an update, and since I was out mowing today in 98-degree weather, hence the sweat, hence the beautiful burn that's going to be happening soon, I took these guys with me. And I got to tell you, the fidelity, the controls, the bass, it's all still there. So like I said, about 2 years ago, April 6th, I did an unboxing and a basic review of these headphones, the Ijoy logo $15 headset. I don't even think that there's an actual model for them. I realized that I had never done an actual usage update. So the one thing I wanted to show you first off is right here, you see initials in there. That's because we bought 3 pair of these. One for my wife, that's the set, the original set. And then we bought another pair for myself to keep trying. They're 15 bucks. And then we bought a pair for our oldest daughter, Sophia, for her when we're out driving around, going long distances to vacation, and she wants to use the tablet. Now later on we will be getting probably a set for the twins as well, because the price, you can't beat it for what they do. The hinges still work perfectly. The controls still work perfectly. The extensions still work perfectly. I don't know what else I could say about anything. Nothing has broken. There's just basic wear and tear on these guys. There's nothing wrong with them. And so I just wanted to show that to you and prove that to you. So here we go. We're going to turn them on. And look at that. They paired... Oh. Did I turn my Bluetooth off? Oh. They paired right up. Took a second. And then we're just going to open Pandora. I was listening to Daft Punk Radio. And right now we have Martin Garrix's Animals up. So you can tell it's all still there. Now I'm going to tell you, these are not high fidelity headphones at all. They do not have the lowest lows. They do not have the highest highs. The mid-tones get muddled. Of course they do. They're 15 bucks. But for the headset that they are and for what they provide, you can't beat them. You can't beat them. Now the one thing I will say, a couple things. First is that this SD card slot, while I said it was a great feature in the video prior, I've never used it. What it's for is you can load a playlist on a micro SD, throw it in there, and if you don't want to use your data outside of your house, you can just play these without your phone, and it'll read off the SD card no problem. The other thing I'd never really used was the radio. In the previous video, I'll link it up here and link it down in the description so you can see a more in-depth deal of it if you haven't seen it already. I wasn't able to get a radio station in my basement, and once again, as you could tell, I'm in a basement. So we're going to see if we get any kind of radio. There we go. I'll bring it higher. So I'm pretty sure that is radio station 103.7 WXUI. It's the strongest radio station around my way, so obviously it will come through to here. But I also wanted to show you the controls still work perfectly. So we're hooked back up to the phone. I'm going to press the play button here. Works fine. Forward track, I think, is this one. And it's an ad, of course. So we want to turn it down. So we long press the back button. And there it goes. And then we'll pause it to stop it, so I can keep talking. There you have it, folks. I don't know what else you could buy for this kind of price that will give you this kind of ability. I want to look it up on Amazon real quick so we can see if it's still... And you can see it's the same Ijoy matte finish premium headset. You can see right there. Oh, no you can't. But actually it has gone up in price to $17.99. Still, 18 bucks. That's gone up $3 in 2 years. That's not bad. And you can see, just scrolling over all the pictures, I mean, it's the same exact headset that you have. Now it does have a 3.5mm input jack on it and a charging cable. If you have a use for that. I personally haven't, except for my children's tablets when the battery dies. But on the battery life, these things still hold about the same amount. I think it's like 2 or 3 hours of battery life. Does it say over here? So it doesn't say what kind of battery life it is, but I can get, you know, anywhere from 2 to 3 hours out of this guy. And they charge right up. The micro USB port is still nice and snug, nice and clicky. There's no wiggle in it or anything like that. If it's your first time watching this video, I highly suggest you go back and check that video, because I go a little more in depth on the review and what you get and how it feels and how it sounds straight out of the box. And if you've watched that video and you're looking for an update, well, here's your 2-year update. Get these headphones. They're 100% worth it. If there's anything I missed or you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below. I answer every single comment that comes across all of my videos. If you like this video, please like it. Please share it if there's somebody who's been wondering about these headphones. They've been out for a long time, and they're, in my opinion, a great value for what you get. And this isn't our normal type of video, but we are on the road to 300 subscribers. So if you feel like you like this video, or if you check out a couple more videos that we have on the channel and you like them, please feel free to drop a subscribe. My birthday is coming up in June 22nd, and I would love 300 subscribers as a birthday present. But anyway, that's it for now. I will talk to you guys later. Have a good one. Bye-bye. P.S. This was recorded with a Rode Micro on a Bud Light can. Don't judge.